Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Zoho Mail. First, navigate to the Zoho Mail website and sign up for a new account. Once registered, you will add your custom domain name to initiate the setup. The next crucial step involves verifying domain ownership, typically by adding a specific TXT or CNAME record to your domain's DNS settings. This confirms you have control over the domain, a vital foundation for your new email service. Next, you will want to populate your organization with users. You can easily add individual email accounts for each team member and assign them specific roles and permissions, ensuring proper access control. For streamlined communication, create email groups for different departments or projects. This allows you to send a single email to many recipients simultaneously, significantly simplifying your internal and external communications within Zoho Mail. A critical step is configuring your domain's mail exchange, or MX, records. You must update these records in your domain's DNS settings to point directly to Zoho Mail servers. Zoho will provide you with the precise MX record values, typically 2 primary records and 1 backup. This ensures all incoming emails are correctly routed to your new Zoho Mail inboxes. Without accurate MX records, your emails simply won't arrive. Finally, consider migrating any existing emails from previous providers using Zoho's migration tools, if applicable. Once everything is set up, you can access your Zoho Mail conveniently through its intuitive web interface or dedicated mobile applications. For those preferring desktop clients, configure popular email programs like Microsoft Outlook or Mozilla Thunderbird using the provided IMAP or POP settings. You are now ready to enjoy secure and efficient email communication.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.